Hi kitchen friends! Welcome to another episode of Jules Flavor Bliss, the easy version. And today, I'll be sharing with you a classic Italian dish. Arrosto di Vitello, an Italian roast beef, and with a twist. And I will give you the tips on how to make it soft, juicy, and so flavorful. Please stay tuned and learn simple techniques. So let's get cooking. And here are the ingredients. Let's heat up our pan in a moderate fire. Melt the butter. Why butter? It adds an extra richness and can also soften the charred exterior and making the meat more tender. And browned butter produces a nutty flavor. Then we will add the meat to this very hot butter. And we call this technique pan searing. And searing is a technique used in grilling, baking, or roasting, in which the surface of the food, usually meat, is cooked in a very high temperature until browned crust forms. Searing meat builds flavor. When the food is cooked in a high temperature over a dry heat, it undergoes a Maillard reaction. It is a chemical reaction that gives browned food its distinctive flavor, or caramelizing meat. And you can prepare this arrosto ahead of time. And by this process, we are sure that the juice, the flavors are all trapped inside this chunk of meat. And at this point, I'm going to add white wine. Again, white wine, it dissolves the fat in the meat. And it releases the flavors that the other cooking aids like water, broth, olive oil, and even butter simply cannot match. The underlying flavors of the wine attach to the meat and accentuate the taste. And we will saute chopped onions. And mind you, kitchen friends, we are still in medium heat. And we add salt to the meat. Add the chopped celery. and carrots. So we cover it for a while, getting set to transfer it to a much heavier pan and ready to braise the meat, meaning we have to simmer the meat in a small amount of liquid in a covered pot to concentrate and enhance the liquid's flavor, and tenderizes tough cuts of meat to a melt-in-your-mouth perfection. It is a long-temperature cooking method, and the food is cooked over a low heat for a long period of time. And we'll add tomato sauce and a little water. And we'll let it simmer for an hour or two, and remember, over a slow fire, until the meat is tender. Jaran, this is our arrosto. So we got to release the meat from the net and slice it thinly, about 1/4 centimeter. And of course, for our safety measure, always wash our hands before touching the food. And we have to cool down first the meat for a better slicing. And this Arrosto di Vitello is ideally served every Sunday in a family lunch every Sunday. And they usually serve it with oven roast potatoes as their side dish. Here is our delectable, mouth-watering, juicy, and so tender Italian roast beef, or Arrosto di Vitello. And to make it more flavorful, we will serve it with our appetizing and mouth-watering sauce. And I do hope you enjoyed watching our Arrosto episode. And for more delectable recipes like this, please don't forget to subscribe. And I've got a lot more in store for you. Until next Wednesday, for more fun and exciting kitchen adventure here in Jules Flavor Bliss. Shout out to Miss Daisy Fields of Rome, Italy. Stay safe and stay well. God bless. Bye!